Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to never miss a trading signal in the DSJ Exchange PG wallet sharing. First, open the DSJ app or website on your device, then go to Settings and select Notifications. Make sure to turn on push alerts and email alerts specifically for trading signals so you get notified as soon as a new signal is available. Next, access the PG Wealth Sharing Signals section within DSJ. Follow verified channels or groups and ensure that you are subscribed to all available signal feeds to stay updated with every new recommendation. Now log into the DSJ on your mobile, tablet, and PC. Keep notifications active on the latest one of your devices at all times and use email alerts as a backup in case you are away from your main device. Then, set reminders for key trading hours. Check signals regularly, at least every few hours, and coordinate them with your trading calendar to stay disciplined and organized. Finally, remember that the trading signals are time sensitive. Execute trades promptly according to the signal details and adjust your stop loss and take profit levels if necessary to match your trading strategy. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.